start doing certain laws in the trigonometry. Have you covered sine law and cosine law?
Yes, last year, but I don't remember it too much, to be honest.
Yeah, I just want to connect with the topic, so that's why I'm just little revising the back of it. So sine
Okay.
laws, which help us to find out the angles or the sides of a triangle, right? If two of the
Oh,
sides or the angles are given, right? Like for
yeah,
example, and it is not a right angle triangle, obviously, because we have done right angle triangles in year 8 or 9 in like junior secondary years, right? But in
yeah.
sine law will help us to find out any of the angle or the sides by the sine proportion formulae without a right angle triangle, and it is given by a over sine a. I'll
Mm-hmm.
write the formula, you may get a recall of it,
Mm-hmm.
right? And how we
Yes.
denote it. Why I'm telling you, maybe we are going to use these in our sum and difference formulas, in your compound formulas, right? So
Yeah.
we always write the side opposite to the angle. If my angle A is this, so my side A is this. If
Mm-hmm.
my angle B is this, so my B side will be this. So if my
Yeah.
angle C is this, so my C side will be this. We always write
Yeah.
opposite. Usually when we apply the formula, we get confused, right? Formula they
Mhm.
give with the cheat sheet. But the main thing is how to apply it. This is a sine law. There is
Mm.
another sine law which is used to find the area of a triangle. But otherwise, if I ask you what is the formula of area of triangle, do you know how to find the area of triangle?
Uh, is it the area of a triangle? Is it uh, a to the power of 2 plus t? No, that's, I think that's for the right angle.
I
Uh,
think if I ask you, okay, this is your triangle and you have a height given as 5 and base given as 6. So what is the area for this triangle?
um, I think you have to add, like,
It's
multiply them
okay.
all together.
Yes, multiply together and
Mm, I don't remember the rest, to be honest.
half times base times height.
Oh yeah,
Yes, I told
yeah,
you, we all knew it. It is just the practice and we forget about that, right? So,
yeah.
and this is the right angle triangle. We can clearly see the perpendicular height. But in many triangles, we cannot see it, right? They don't give it. According to the grades, they make the questions very difficult. So in the
Mm,
triangles, obviously, which is not a right angle triangle, and we have given two sides and the angle made by those two sides. I'll repeat my statement. We have given two sides and the angle made by the similar sides. Let's take it as A, obviously, because if this is B, and this is C, this is C, right?
mhm.
So
Yeah.
the area of the triangle will be given as half times those two sides and the
Yeah.
angle made by those two sides.
Oh, okay,
Now you
okay.
don't need a right angle triangle. These are
Mm,
the two sine laws which we are going to use if the triangles are not right angled. They can be
mhm.
used in right angle also, but for those we have simple basic formulae. And these will help us to find out the area. And this will help us to find any angle or any side which is
Yeah.
not given to us, right? Then
Mhm.
we came up with the cosine rule, which is also very easy. In a triangle, if two sides are given, you can apply sine also, right? But
Mhm.
sometimes they specify, okay, apply this and find the following. Uh, you have given an angle A and the
Yeah.
two sides, and you just have to find this.
Okay.
You can apply the cosine rule. This will be your A side. So how it we will write the side which you have to find, A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A.
Mm, yeah.
Have you
I
done
remember
this?
this. Yeah, yeah, I remember
Done
this.
this, yeah.
Mhm.
Right. So
Mhm.
these are the basic trigonometric the features that you have already done. Now
Yeah.
comes the compound angle formulae, right? We already know what is cosine 30, sine 30, but sometimes we have to use sine A plus B, sine A minus B, cosine A plus B, or cosine A minus B. This is what you have to do now.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
exactly.
right. These are called the
Mhm.
compound angle. Once these 4, then we will do tan A plus B and tan A minus B also. Once these 6 are done, then we can do half angle formulae, double angle formulae, anything, because we just have to put the values over here. So now you need to tell me, have you done the proofs on these, or you just have done the questions? Like every
Well,
college and school has a different criteria to do it. Have you done the proof for these in a school?
I don't think so. My teacher didn't mention it. No. I'm
Okay.
not sure what
But
that is though. Yeah.
okay, so you just have started it?
Yeah, we just started it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Right. But I'll just give you a little proof so that you come to know how from where we have derived it. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Mm.
let's start.